Welcome to Theme Thursday on For Talk with Sharon. Theme for this month is lemons. And today we are going to make a single pot lemon pasta with some mushrooms. So I'm keeping it veg and adding mushrooms and green peas to this. But if you want to turn this into a non-veg option, you can replace the mushroom with chicken. So we don't have to cook the pasta separately for this recipe. And that's the speciality of this one. So let's quickly check out the recipe. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And while you're subscribing, please don't forget to click that tiny bell icon and turn on all notifications too. So let's check out the ingredients first. To make this lemon pasta, we're going to first saute the mushrooms in some butter. So I'm not using the entire quantity of butter that is required for this recipe. We'll be using the rest of it as we proceed to the next step. Into this, I'm going to add the mushrooms. And I've quartered the mushrooms. I wanted to retain some crunch of the mushrooms in the pasta. For cooking these mushrooms, make sure you turn up the heat and cook this on high flame. The mushrooms will be slightly caramelized in the butter, and at the same time it will not lose a lot of water and still retain the crunch and its shape. When cooking on high flame, the mushrooms, though it releases its water, don't become soggy as the water gets evaporated quickly. The mushroom has changed color now, so we can take it off the heat. So I'm adding the rest of the butter now. Into this first goes in some chopped garlic. Fry the garlic till it slightly changes color. And then goes in onions. The onions have changed color, so into this goes in flour. Keep the heat on low now. And now let's add vegetable broth. To make this broth, you can either use the vegetable stock cubes, which are readily available. Alternatively, you can prepare it at home, and that's what I have done today. So I took 1 liter of water, and into that I've added a few chopped onions, a carrot roughly chopped, and few garlic pods. I let it boil for a while till it reduced to about half the quantity. Into this I'm also adding some milk, and then we'll let this come to a boil. Since I'm using homemade vegetable broth, I'm adding salt to this. If you've used the ready-made stock cubes, you might not need this much of salt. As it comes to a boil, add half the cream. And I'm also going to add some whole basil leaves to this. The bigger leaves, you can just roughly chop it. once it's come to a boil, let's add the pasta. So the spaghetti needs to be lowered from one end, and as it starts cooking, we can lower the rest of it. The spaghetti has to cook in the sauce now. So once it's properly boiled, you can cover it and keep it on a lower heat for 7 to 10 minutes. Keep checking in between to make sure your spaghetti is cooked. The spaghetti seems to have absorbed all the sauce. So let's add a little bit more of the milk and cream so that you don't end up with a very dry dish. So this is half water and half milk, which I have heated a little and then added to this. I'm adding some more salt to this. We can now add in the mushrooms that we had sauteed and kept separately earlier. And some green peas. I've boiled this with a pinch of salt and kept it. Cover this and cook for another 5 minutes. Let's add some more basil leaves, and then goes in the hero ingredients: lemon juice and lemon zest. So at this stage, I'm also grating half of the cheese that I'm using for this recipe. The pasta is ready now. I'm going to have it while it's hot and saucy.